This corner, you'll see Tristan. He's got a white Porsche that he's doing a Clearplex, which is what keeps you from getting the windshield, the chips and cracks in your windshield. He's showing how that's installed. He's also going to show you how window tint is done. Next station over is the black Tesla. On one side of the car, you're going to see he's installing a satin finish, or what we call a stealth film. That is a paint protection film. It does prevent rock chips. So he's doing that. And on the other side of the car is our vinyl. So we're doing a color change on it. So he's taking it, just doing a different color. He'll show you how that's done. One is installed wet, one is installed dry, one uses the heat gun, one doesn't use any heat. So two kind of the same looks when you're finished what you're doing, two completely different animals, and usually one that does vinyl can't do clearbra and vice versa because it messes with their head. As we go on the other side, you're going to see a white Tesla with the nose pointing out of the rack. They are doing a clear film, which is also by Expel. That is the one that doesn't do anything to your car for changes of the looks. It's just, if it's white, it stays white. If it's gray, it's gray. It prevents skinks of rock chip. In the center of the shop, and we'll see who wants to do it, we do have a very good leather repair or interior repair specialist here. Bolsters brought back to new, or any scratches on any of your leather, please let us know. We're going to bring your car in. He's going to do the demo on your car. And the last bay is on the other side of the wall. You definitely won't miss it because it's noisy. He's running the polisher. So he's showing you what a paint correction is. So paint correction is the new term for a very in-depth detail or a polish. So they do multiple steps. They bring your paint down to almost a full finish. They bring it up to a real high gloss, and we do that before we put our ceramic coating on. We manufacture our own coating, comes out of Frankfurt. We have our own product that's manufactured strictly for us. We own the rights to the formula. It is what is.
You don't need a special product to maintain it?
We make our own products. Most people, we sell a lot of them. They're just designed to actually maintain. You don't have to put them on a ceramic coated car, but they're designed around that to make the maintenance last long. But this top one here is the last line that you can put on before it has to be done with respirators and IR lights and chemical gloves. This is the last one that you can do. That stuff is crazy. If you don't have ceramic coating, you need to follow that. It's user installable, and it'll last you about 70 washes. But just ask anybody any question. Like Jim said, a lot of our guys here are already our clients anyway. But just, we're going to walk through, ask away.